Guys, today we will learn 15 simple exercises to lose your belly fat fast. So, let's start. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this for your better health. And also don't forget to like, comment and share. Okay then. Number 1. High stepping. Run in place while pulling your knees as high as possible with each step. Keep your upper body upright during this exercise. Number 2. Jumping jacks. Start with your feet together and your arms by your sides. Then jump up with your feet apart and your hands overhead. Return to the start position, then do the next rep. This exercise proves a full body workout and works for all your large muscle groups. Number 3. Star jumps. Start in a squat position with your hands touching your feet. Jump up, spread your legs apart, and raise your arms overhead to your sides. Return to the start position and do the next rep. Number 4. V-crunch. Sit on the floor, then lean back and lift your legs up off the floor. After finding a balanced position, lift your upper body and bring your knees toward your chest. Then stretch out and repeat. Exhale when you lift your body and inhale when you stretch out. It's a great exercise for the lower abdominal muscle. Number 5. Fast spider lunges. Start with your hands under your shoulders, your left leg bent and next to the outside of your left arm, and your right leg stretched behind you. Then jump and switch legs in the air. Number 6. X burpees. Stand with your feet together and your arms at your sides. Jump up with your feet apart and your hands overhead in the shape of the letter X. Jump back. Put your hands on the ground. Kick your legs backward and spread them apart. Come back to the start position and repeat. Number 7. Reverse crunches with leg raised. Lie on your back with your legs stretched and your hands underneath your hips. Lift your knees until your thighs are perpendicular to the floor. Straighten your leg and lift your hips up off the floor. Return to the starting position and repeat the exercise. Number 8. Flutter kicks. Lie on your back with your arms at your sides. Lift your legs and keep them as straight as you can. Then quickly raise your right leg up and simultaneously lower your left leg. Switch legs and repeat. Number 9. Plank jacks. Start in the straight arms plank position with your hands under your shoulders and feet together. Hop your feet apart and land on your toes. Then hop back. Repeat the exercise. Number 10. X-Man crunch. Lie on your back with your hands stretched at your sides and legs apart. Lift your legs and arms off the floor. Then raise your upper body and squeeze your arms and knees towards your abdominals. Lower your arms and legs and repeat the exercise. Number 11. Crunch kicks. Lie on your back with your arms at your sides and shoulders slightly lifted. Raise your legs off the floor. Bend your knees and pull them toward your chest. Kick your feet forward and repeat it. Number 12. Jumping squats. Start in the squat position, then jump up using your abdominal muscles for strength. This exercise works your abdomen. Number 13. Heels to the heaven. Lie on your back with your hands at your sides and legs straight up towards the ceiling. Raise your hips straight up off the floor. Then go back to the starting position. Repeat the exercise. Number 14. Alt V up. Start in the lying position with your legs extended and arms at your sides. Simultaneously, lift your left leg and your upper body up off the ground and use your right hand to touch your toes. Repeat with the other leg. Number 15. Stand with your feet shoulder wide apart. Put your hands on the ground and kick your feet backward. Bend your right knee towards your chest and keep your left leg straight. Then quickly switch to your left leg. Kick your left foot backward. Then jump up. Repeat the exercise. That's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video with a new one post. Stay well until then.